If your smile isn't as bright as it used to be, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to brighten up your teeth. First, try using a whitening toothpaste. It helps remove surface stains and keeps your teeth cleaner. Whitening strips or gels can also be effective for deeper stains. Eating crunchy fruits and veggies like apples and carrots can help scrub away surface stains, and drinking plenty of water helps wash away food particles. For more stubborn stains, consider a professional cleaning or whitening treatment at your dentist's office. They have advanced tools and products to give your smile a major boost. Remember, good oral hygiene and regular dental visits are key to maintaining a bright smile. Got any tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on keeping your smile sparkling.